Hey guys, it's Eric, and today we're going to quickly discuss using this Series 9 foil shaver from Braun, but not for your face like most people use, but we're going to test this out on my head and see what it's like. Now, I've never been a big fan of foil shavers or electronic shavers altogether for shaving my face. I've always used like a Mach 3 or some other razor to get that super close shave, but I've never been able to use one of those on my head. I just think it takes too much time and effort, and honestly I've been afraid to use an actual razor blade. So figured I'd give it a shot after I saw a video of The Rock, Dwayne Johnson, the wrestler and the actor. This is the one that he uses on his head, and he shaves every 24 to 36 hours. I was like, ooh, I gotta try this. Now, I did buy the one with the self-cleaning, which I'm definitely going to highly recommend. Definitely get that model because you don't want to be cleaning this. Shaving your head is a big project for this razor, and you definitely want to shave with a clean razor. Now, the first time that I'm using this is actually here in the video. I do have like a 5 to 6 day haircut, so it's probably a little bit on the longer side for this shaver, but I really wanted to see what it could do. In all honesty, this thing did really well. It did leave some clumps, just because it has to put the hair somewhere and it can only hold so much into the shaver itself. So sometimes you did have these loose clumps of hair, but they were already cut. But if you're going to be using this every 2 or 3 days, you're not going to have that issue. And that's exactly what I've been doing since the first time I filmed this. I usually shave every 24 to 36 hours, just like The Rock. And honestly, it's so fast and convenient, and I absolutely love it. Now, unfortunately, I do have some cons with it. First of all, it is really, really loud. You can listen here. Now, I get over this loudness really, really quick, but I did want to point that out to you. And the second con that I do have with this is that because it's such a big razor, it's really, really hard to get around the ears. Now, yes, you can use the little pop-up trimmer, but in all honesty, that's not going to give you a close shave. It's going to get the long hairs and get them pretty close down low. But in all honesty, you're going to have to bend your ear and twist your ear, if you know what I mean, to really get the razor in there to get that close shave around your ear. But other than that, I'm really happy with my purchase. I actually keep the cleaner and the razor on my desk at work. I'm usually the first one in, and I probably have about an hour to myself, and that is when I shave my head. And because I shave every 2 or 3 days, all the hair is kept in the razor, and I can just tap it or take off the razor blade, and all the hair falls right into the trash can. Now, I do run the cleaner every single time that I use it. It does get a little loud when you're cleaning it also, because it actually is running the razor, and then you will smell a little bit of alcohol, but that's totally normal. And then the fan turns on to dry the alcohol, and that fan is usually on for maybe 15 to 20 minutes. And now you have a nice clean razor for the next shave. So what I think about this for shaving my head, honestly, this thing blew my expectations away. The Rock was right on where you do want to shave your head 24 to 36 hours. Don't do like I did in this video, wait 5 or 6 days. The clumping and the time that takes to go back over and over 2 or 3 times is nothing like if you shave every 2 or 3 days. If you keep up with it, you can do your shave in less than 5 minutes. You don't have to go back over a second time. You can get around the ears really easy. You do have to pull them down just a little bit to get that close shave. But as long as you keep up with it and get it done every day or every 3 days, you're going to be loving this razor. Honestly, I don't know what I waited for. So I hope this video was helpful. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.